Okay guys, so I have my son David over here helping me out removing all this stuff from the car. So let's go ahead and remove the OEM filter. Undo it from here, remove this. This is the filter that comes from the factory. Okay, so that is trash. Okay, now I have to get this one off. There you go, right there. So now remove this one. Now we're gonna have to take this off, but we're gonna have to undo this fan too. I was thinking there's a bolt right here I have to undo. Right here. Now we can take this box out of here. Weight reduction here. Alright, so this is we're not gonna throw this away because I might put it back in the freezer when I sell it, if I sell it. We're gonna save all these parts. And this is the filter that I bought for this car. For you guys, I have this type of model, 453 model. This is the filter that I bought for this. It's a K&N filter, and I'll show you the diameter. The inside diameter, it's gonna be 1.5. All right, that's the one you're gonna get, and it's 3.5 in length. I'm gonna post the link down below. That way you can just click it. I bought this one from Amazon. I believe it was like $25. And this is the exact fitment for this. If you guys can see, right there. So that's gonna secure into the filter, right? Just like so. All right, so when I was removing this clamp, it's a little bit hard because I don't have the tool. If you guys can see it, I don't know what kind of tool is that. I've never seen it. Remember, this is a Mercedes, so it's German. All right, guys, so this is the tool you're gonna need. Cut-off wheel, air compressor, and here we go. Well, I'm gonna do it away from you. All right, so now we have a normal clamp. Now I can use my screwdriver. Let me show you guys. There you go. How about that? All right, so German engineer, you're very smart by making this clamp, but I'm smarter than you because now I can use a flat screwdriver. We're in America, so we don't have this type of tool. All right. All right, so should be it. All right, so I'm gonna put this fan back and start the car. All right, so now that I have everything secure, I'm gonna go ahead and start the engine. See how it sounds. All said and done, guys, if you want to do this filter change, do it. Like I say, I'm posting the link down below so you can buy the exact same one, because I had ordered one in the past and it was not the same. It was really big for this car. It was like a 4-inch filter. So yeah, let's go take it for a spin, man. really sounds really cool. Yeah, I love the way it sounds. All right, guys. So now that I have installed the filter, the K&N filter, I'm gonna go ahead and install the wheels. And these are the wheels that I bought for this car. These are shipped, and I'm gonna show you the tire size that I got for this car. So these are the front ones, 215, 35. I'm sorry, no, these are the back ones. These are the back ones, 215, 35, 18. Okay, so and I believe these are 8.5 on the back. And then for the front, I got, this is the front ones right here. Let's see, where's the, okay, so I got 205s, 40, 17s for the front, and these are 7.5, I believe. And with that being said, let's go ahead and take the old ones out and put this ones on. And like I said, this ones, I already ceramic coat them, so it's gonna be a lot easier, especially with this type of wheel. It's really hard to get them clean. So what I did one coat of Crystal Serum Light with 2 coats of Exo, okay? And this is how it's looking. It looks more glossy, the color looks deeper, and it's gonna be a lot easier to clean. Okay, so this is a before, and I want to show you guys the way this car looks with those wheels. Hopefully you guys like it. All right. Okay guys, so I do want to show you the difference on how heavy this new wheels are going to be. Remember, these are not force wheels, so they're going to be a little bit heavier. So this is the front. Okay, so we are at 41.4. Okay, this is the new wheels that is going in the car. This is for the front, and this is what it had before. So 26 pounds. So that's a difference of right around 15 pounds. Okay, so times 2. That's going to be 30 pounds we added in the front. Okay, the back ones. These are the back ones that are going into the car. These are 18-inch wheels. And these are the front ones that came with the car. So we are at 29.2. So that is right around 16 point something. Well, 16.16. So we are in 33 pounds on the back. That's what we added, roughly. So if you do it times 4, we add in right around 63 pounds to the total weight of the car with those wheels.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I